अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं जिस टॉपिक के बारे में आपको बताने जा रही हूँ तो गूगल हमारे पास ओपन है। सर्च के आइकन पे क्लिक कर लेते हैं और सिंपली यहाँ पेस्ट कर लेते हैं अपना टॉपिक, हाउ टू क्रिएट विकीपीडिया पेज। तो यहाँ पे वेबसाइट्स ओपन हो चुकी है इसके रिलेटेड, विकीपीडिया हाउ टू क्रिएट पेज। ये वेबसाइट मैं ओपन करके आपको दिखा देती हूँ, इसकी मज़ीद डिटेल के बारे में बताती हूँ। ये वेबसाइट ओपन हो चुकी है। दिस पेज sets for the nuts and bolts of creating a page in any namespace. The mechanism of doing so. Please note that only logged in user can create page is non-talk namespaces. This page does not delve into the reasons or should not create a page, what to consider before doing so, nor what content would or would not be appropriate for a more general treatment regarding the do's and don'ts of article creation. Please see help your first article for a general introduction to contributing. See Wikipedia contributing to Wikipedia and consider talking at all through the Wikipedia tutorial for a guided process to create an article and for which these technical instruction will not be needed. See the article wizards and Wikipedia articles for created as a draft and then submitted for review before possible publication by a move to the article namespace. For relevant consideration before creating an encyclopedia article, please see the main notability guideline, our policies on verifiability, writing from a neutral point of view, or our restriction on original research, and our guide to what Wikipedia is not. For styling issues, see the manual of style and the article layout guideline for what title to choose for an article. See the article titling policy. You can also create a page by entering the page name in the input in field below. बैक चलते हैं आगे। इसके रिलेटेड काफ़ी वेबसाइट्स हैं और वीडियोस भी हैं और सर्चेस भी हैं। हाउ टू डेवलप एंड क्रिएट अ विकीपीडिया पेज सेल थ्रो। ये वेबसाइट ओपन कर लेते हैं। हाउ टू डेवलप एंड क्रिएट अ विकीपीडिया पेज दैट सेल्स थ्रू द अप्रूवल process. When Dania Hoff decided to create a Wikipedia page for her client technology, she had no idea what she was in for. Making update to existing page was simple. How hard could it to be create a new Wikipedia page? Incredibly hard, as she found out. The length process felt more akin to writing a college term paper than to writing marketing content, Dania said. But she felt the effort was worth it. Her client industry changing technology became an official part of Wikipedia and generated traffic to their site, and the article she wrote about the process remains one of the most visited articles on this website 11 years after it first appeared. We have recapped her solid advice and added a few updates and ideas from other experts. We have also kept the comments from Dania original articles so you can learn from other experience. Reason to create a Wikipedia page. Almost everyone is now familiar with Wikipedia, the living encyclopedia where anyone can suggest or contribute page, articles and knowledge about just about anything. Rolling Stones, the band, video game Mount Vesuvius, Web3 and event content marketing. Few realized stuff. The straightened threshold for article acceptance. Should you still create a Wikipedia page about something related to your brand? Yes, if the subject meet a few essential conditions. Dania recommended trying for a Wikipedia page if your company aims to develop an industry changing technology. You can find any information about your technology or topic on Wikipedia. इसके बाद है your Fenitutor और कंपनी इज़ नोटेबल। तो ये काफ़ी डिटेल में है हमारा आज का टॉपिक। तो ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक है। तो आई होप मेरी ये वीडियो आपको समझ आ गई होगी। इसके रिलेटेड काफ़ी वेबसाइट्स हैं, वीडियोस हैं, इमेजेस हैं और सर्चेस भी हैं। आप ओपन करके इसकी मज़ीद डिटेल के बारे में जान सकते हैं। तो आई होप मेरी ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।